Refrigerated pantry drawers give large families convenient, accessible, chilled storage where the main refrigerator cannot reach. For a big family kitchen project, start by planning capacity and placement so the drawers live where traffic patterns demand quick access rather than in hidden corners. Choose between 24-inch and 30-inch units based on family size and available island or cabinet width, and verify clearances for full extension drawer slides and ventilation at the toe kick. Set up at least 2 temperature zones when possible so you can dedicate one drawer to produce at around 42 degrees Fahrenheit and another to cheese and deli at 36 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit, and use digital controls to maintain stable set points. Integrate the drawers with adjacent pantry shelving by matching face frames and countertop overhangs, and by planning for a supply of power plus a condensate drain if the model requires one. Consider lockable drawers for medications and household items that need restricted access, and position those at a comfortable height for adults. For installation, run a dedicated grounded circuit following local electrical codes, and plan a serviceable gap at the rear so the unit can be pulled for maintenance without removing cabinetry. Common mistakes include picking units that are too narrow or shallow, which wastes usable capacity. So measure internal storage needs using typical grocery loads, and buy the wider option when in doubt. Another issue is single temperature setups causing food quality loss. So allocate separate drawers or use units with independent controls to protect produce and specialty items. A third problem is poor ventilation or blocked toe kick grills that cause overheating and performance loss. So leave specified clearance, avoid sealing vents with toe kick drawers, and test operation with full load before finalizing cabinetry. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners explore ideas, compare options, and connect with local contractors who can install refrigerated pantry drawers and other kitchen systems. Our community discussion boards let us share real-world experiences and troubleshooting tips while helping contractors find work from families seeking these projects.